Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and be warned about a hike and a really an amazing amount of new scams that are coming out because of and using the Amazon Prime Day idea. So Amazon Prime Day is special deals that Amazon does, and basically we have and we are in these days of July 16th, 17th. And what happens is that, of course, Amazon being very popular and telling you about these great deals, it also makes and creates a spike in email scams. So you might be tempted by a ton of scams coming through email, kind of telling you, oh, this is Amazon Prime Day and here's deals for different things, and you click on, and you might be sent to pages that might look like Amazon, but in reality you're somewhere else. And they might scam you out of a lot of money trying to tell you that you've got a really great deal that is maybe too good to be true. Remember that deals are, there are some deals to be had, but that when it's too good to be true, it's often a fake deal. So be very, very careful in this, as there was actually several warnings. Even Amazon itself has issued a warning that scammers are trying to use the images and the Prime Day to attract people to steal money. So be careful. Remember that if you want to see some Amazon Prime deals, go on Amazon yourself. Go to the website and check out what they have. Do not click on an email that promises you, a great laptop for a ridiculous price thanks to the Prime Day deals and stuff like that. It is pretty much a scam. So just be careful. Remember that if you want to see Amazon deals, go to the Amazon page. Don't click any emails telling you that there's a real good deal for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.